Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I will be sharing the swatches of the new Fairy Lights palette from VH Cosmetics. And the first thing that we're going to talk about is the packaging. It does come with a plastic type of packaging. This is what the actual packaging looks like. You slide it out, and I am so in love with all the glitter on the actual palette. It is beautiful. Okay, it is cardboard. On the back, again, you do have it says VH Cosmetics, Fairy Lights, and all that info at the back of it. So once you open it, it looks like this. You do have a mirror. The mirror is a decent size. Of course, you do have a cover here, and this is what you will be getting. It looks beautiful. So today I'm gonna go ahead and do just some swatches, and maybe later on I can do a makeup tutorial using this palette. So let's go ahead and begin. We're gonna go ahead and start with this bottom color. This one is a matte color, and it is brown, a dark brown shade. I'm gonna go ahead and place it right here. Pigmentation is there. That's what it looks like. And then we have Enchanting. This one is a beautiful shimmery color. It's I don't know, it's kind of blue. It reminds me of the sky. And there you have it. I'm gonna move on to matte. This one is called Precious, and it looks like that. Beautiful color. Then you have Brilliant. This one is also a shimmery color. It is a beautiful, it has the shade of purple and silver. Look at that. Can barely see it with my skin color, but it's certainly there. Clean my fingers. I'm gonna move on to the next row. I'm gonna move on to this color. It's called Adorn. It is matte. It is a pink matte color. You know what? When you swatch it, the consistency is very beautiful. Then you have Gleaming. This one is also shimmer. Angelic, matte. This one is kind of a vanilla color. And then you have Darling, shimmery color. This one is kind of flaky. The next shadow is called Marvelous, and this one is a dark matte color. It's kind of black, carbon black. There you have it. And then you have Mesmerize. My goodness, look at this color. Beautiful shimmery color, matte, radiant, and then you have Luminous. This one is shimmery. This is simply gorgeous. I cannot wait to get to the last row. Moving on to, and excuse my bruise, I had a lab testing done, and of course, this one is called Enamored. I might be saying it wrong. Matte color. And then you have Rare. Oh my goodness, look at that shimmery color. It is a rare type of color. There you go. And you have Bliss, matte. And also you get Glistening, shimmery. Look at that. This palette is just gorgeous. In the last row, I'm so excited for that row. For the last row, I'm gonna go ahead and start over here since I have space. Make sure to clean my hands. Okay, let's start with Passionate, matte color. Look at that. And then you have Twinkling, Can you see that? It's just gorgeous. And then you have Divine. That's matte, and the last one is called Sultry. There you have it. So this is a brand new palette. It just launched at Ulta, and the cost of it was $20. I did use the 20% off, and before trying it, I just wanted to give you swatches really quick so you could see what you'll be getting. This is what the swatches look like. Let me know what you think. If you do decide to get it, let me know if you like it. So far, I am in love with the colors. I think the pigmentation is there. But again, when you swatch a palette, it's totally different as when you are using it for a makeup look. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you already have it and if you already used it. Okay, my friends, that is it. I hope that you like this quick video with just quick information. And like always, I will see you on my next one. Hasta la vista. Adios.